Hey guys, it's me again. Yeah, I don't know why you're tuning in either. Anyway, quarantine is getting to the point where it's like more relaxed. Like we could go hang out with like a few more people than we used to be able to, or just go into public more. And well, I'm a little disappointed in that. Only because I told myself when quarantine first started, I'd learn some new tricks and I'd work out more. And yes, I have been working out more, but I haven't learned anything new. I told myself I'd learned a cartwheel. Didn't happen. I told myself I'd like perfect a handstand. Didn't happen. I'm excited because today I will try and learn a brand new skill, the splits. We're gonna try one of those like learn the splits in one day things. That's where we're starting. I'm also probably wearing the wrong shorts for this as I'm wearing jean shorts right now, but they're kind of flexible, but it's also super hot outside, so I don't know if that's gonna mess anything up. I also have a messed up leg right now because I'm an idiot, so I'm just gonna get started. This video had you doing the splits in about 5 minutes, but it was like 2 minutes of warming up and then 3 minutes were actually spent like working on the splits. I don't know, it is very weird to me. One video I just watched. One video I just tried to do said it would take a couple of months. I'm looking for a day. So we're gonna try again. We're probably gonna do it one more time. We're gonna try again with the other video because I wanna learn a skill. I feel like this video was aimed to people with more flexibility than I had at the time. Like, I'm not the best, but I'm also not the worst, so I thought it wouldn't have been that bad, but I guess it was. So I just finished the second round of the first video. We'll check progress. I don't think I've made a lot. And yeah. Okay, so here's progress after one video. I think it's slightly better. I don't know. Quarantine-wise. Okay, time for the second video. I think it's longer, which means more stretch. I personally like this video a lot more. The person doing the little tutorial did it like basically with you the whole time. I think she had hoped that the viewer would have done it like a few more times than she had, but I was just following along and I feel like I made a lot of progress just doing that. Three more times, call quits for now, come back, because I'm not giving up. It's much later now, later than I hoped it would have been, so I'm gonna try a few more times, see what happens, then show you the end results after one day. Okay, so I went downstairs because I wanted to do it on carpet for the last few times so it wouldn't be like a different outcome. I guess like a real experiment. So yeah, we're gonna do it a few more times, see what happens, and then final results. I did these later in the evening, so that's why I ended up stretching, and I think it helped. So if you're gonna do this, stretch, please. Don't hurt yourself. So I'm gonna try one more time, and I think that's gonna be it because my legs are starting to hurt. So yeah, then we'll go back and do a final verdict. Okay, so final thoughts. So this like challenge was not too hard, but it was a little more challenging than I thought it would be. But then again, it is learning the splits. in one day, and normally that takes months to do, like, or weeks on practice, and I just did it for a day. I think if I kept it up, I'd be able to maybe like do something with it, but I'm not mad at the results for one day. And I know it's going to be different for everyone, but for me, it was just, I don't know, I feel like I made a lot of progress and I did something. Overall, it wasn't bad. The first video I did was kind of iffy. I don't know, I feel like it didn't really help me a lot. The second video actually like kind of went through it with you, you know? Like, I feel like I learned a lot more from that video versus the first video that I did. That wraps up today's video. I hope you all enjoyed. If there's another one-day challenge thing that, I don't know, you guys would like to see if it works, I'll be happy to do it. I'm not doing anything. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Enjoy!